Jeremy M. Hatagi, and it's an honor to be here with you today. Let me start by asking, where am I? This is not just about the physical presence, but a deeper reflections on my journey and my place in the university I proudly chose, the JRMSU University. Ever since I was young, I've always envisioned myself studying at my dream school, the Jose Memorial State University. For me, an ideal university isn't just about the reputations it carries or the grandeur of its campus. It's a place where students are given the opportunity to grow, to challenge themselves, and to become the best versions of who they can be. A university that fosters academic excellence, supports creativity, and molds leaders. This is the kind of institutions I love to be part of. When I thought of Jose Memorial State University, I picture a school where the faculty's genuine care about their students' success, where the facilities inspire learning, and where community feels like family. Those were my expectations, but I always wondered, would really live it to me? Fast forward. Today, I stand here with pride and gratitude because my expectation did not just remain dreams, they become my reality. I am in the university I once inspired to be, the halls I used to imagine, walking through now I call my second home. The professor I used to admire from afar are now my mentors. The opportunities I dreamed of are now my fingertips. But then, I asked myself, am I here? It feels like surreal at first, like a distant goal finally realized. Yet every time I take a step on this campus, I am reminded that yes, I'm in Jose Memorial State University, the university I prayed for, and the one I worked so hard for. This journey has taught me that my dreams are not just meant to be imagined, they are meant to be pursued. And when you finally achieve them, you finally realize that it was worth every sacrifices, every sleepless nights, and every ounce of effort. To those who are still chasing their dreams, believe that one day your aspirations will become your reality too. And when that day comes, don't forget to savor every moment and strive to give back to the institutions that helps makes you dreams come true. Thank you, Jose Memorial State University, for being everything I hope and more. Thank you everyone for